Everybody, happy Feast of Dedication. In Hebrew, Chag, Chanukkah, Sameach. That's right, family. We flexing. Feast in Hebrew. Chag. Chag. Just like that. Make sure you put some stank on it. Make sure you pronounce your guttural. Chag. Dedication in Hebrew. Chanukkah. Chanukkah. That's right. It's not Hanukkah. Technically, it's not Hanukkah. It's Chanukkah. Happy in Hebrew. Sameach. 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 Put it together. Chag, Chanukkah, Sameach. All praises to our great King. Family, I encourage you to celebrate Chanukkah. Even though it is not a feast day, it's a victory. Let's remember to celebrate our victories. Now, I got to keep it a buck. Unfortunately, my wife and I were not able to go live to celebrate Hanukkah this year. Fam, my schedule is crazy. That's my alibi, and I'm sticking to it. If I could, I would go live with y'all. Unfortunately, my wife and I are not able to go live to celebrate Hanukkah. We were not able to go live last night. We did have some drinks now. You know that's right. Remember, we are called Hebrews. Get it? Hebrews. If you don't get that, laugh now, figure it out later. Family, if you are curious about the history of Hanukkah, if you would like to learn about the Feast of Dedication, we got you. Go below this video and click on the video that says the story of Hanukkah. We explain the story, family. We get into it. Also, if you would like a template on how to celebrate Hanukkah, you guessed it, go below this video and click on the Hanukkah celebration that my wife and I, we did last year. My wife and I, we had a great time celebrating Hanukkah with you. Family, when you celebrate Hanukkah, you will forget about Christmas. You can replace Christmas with Hanukkah. That's right. Or you can half step and celebrate Chanukkah. I'll be here all day. The jokes are free. Some of us brews are actually celebrating Chanukkah. If you didn't get that, laugh now, figure it out later. Speaking of Chanukkah, look at this shirt. Family, look at this shirt. It's dripping in swag. Feast of Dedication. Designed by yours truly. You can cop this shirt below in the description. Click on Need Hebrew Israelite Apparel and you can go ahead and rock this shirt and a plethora of apparel for women, men, children, for feast days and regular days. That's right, family. I hope that we have a great time. Let's drink, but let's drink responsibly. That's if you do drink. I just wanted to take some time out and wish you happy Feast of Dedication. Also, before I leave, I also made a video below entitled 4 Reasons to Consider Hanukkah. That's right, 4 reasons to consider celebrating Hanukkah. However, we have more parties than the world does. We have more parties than Christians. We have no reason to celebrate their pagan, boosie, wicked holidays. All glory, all praises, all kavod to Yah. Happy Feast of Dedication.